Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another amazing episode of Sophia's Class. I am your host, Sophia from beautiful Canada, and sitting right across from me is my wonderful friend from the USA.
Hello, everyone. I am Bob. It is fantastic to be here with you all today.
Bob, I have a confession. I had a terrible morning. I went to a new coffee shop and the barista spoke Spanish. I am learning Spanish, right? I know the words in my head, but when I opened my mouth, nothing. I froze.
Ah, you froze. Let's explain that word for our listeners. To freeze means you suddenly stop moving or speaking because you are nervous or scared, like ice.
Exactly like ice. I forgot everything. I just said, coffee, please? It was so embarrassing. But you know what, Bob? This happens to my English students all the time.
Yes, it does. It is very common. Many English learners are great at reading. They are great at listening. But when it is time to speak, they panic.
Panic? What does that mean?
To panic means to feel sudden, very strong fear. It makes you stop thinking clearly.
Yes, they panic. And that is exactly why today's topic is so important. Today, we are going to answer the biggest question. How can you practice speaking English, and how can you stop being scared?
That is right. Today, we will share practical exercises you can do at home, even if you don't have a speaking partner. But first, let's ask our listeners. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Say yes or no out loud right now.
If you said yes, take a deep breath. You are not alone. Bob and I are going to fix this today. Are you ready, Bob?
I am ready. Let's dive into our first speaking exercise. So, the biggest problem is that people translate in their heads. They think in their language and then try to speak in English. It is too slow.
Yes, that is true. It takes too much time. So, what is the first exercise, Bob?
The first exercise is very simple. You do not need a partner. You just need to think out loud every day.
Let me explain that for our listeners. Out loud means speaking so that you or other people can hear the words. You are not just thinking quietly in your head. For example, she read the email out loud to her friend.
Exactly. Thank you, Sophia. When you're alone at home, I want you to narrate your actions. Describe what you are doing in English.
Oh, narrate?
Yes, to narrate means to tell a story or describe what is happening right now. For example, the reporter narrates the news. So you look around your house and you describe your life.
I love this. I do this sometimes. Let me give an example to our listeners. Imagine I am in my kitchen in the morning. I am walking to the kitchen. I am opening the fridge. I am looking for milk. Oh no, there is no milk. I need to drink black coffee. Yuck.
That is a perfect example, Sophia. You use the present continuous tense. I am walking. I am looking. It's simple, but it trains your brain to connect English words directly to your actions.
And the best part is nobody is listening, so you don't feel nervous. If you make a mistake, who cares? You're talking to your fridge.
Exactly. You build confidence. You find out which words you do not know. If you are cooking and you don't know the English word for a vegetable, you can check your dictionary later.
All right, guys, it is time to practice. Let's make this video active. Right now, wherever you are, look around. What are you doing? Are you drinking tea? Are you sitting on the bus?
Tell us. Go to the comments section right now and write one sentence about what you are doing at this exact moment. Use I am.
Yes, comment below, I am watching Sophia Class is a great start, but add one more sentence. Do it right now. We will wait for you. Okay, Bob. So the first step is thinking out loud. I can do that, but what about my accent? What if my pronunciation is bad and I say the words wrong?
That is a very common fear, Sophia. And that brings us to technique number 2, shadowing.
Shadowing? Like a dark shadow on the wall?
Kind of. It is a very famous language exercise. It means you listen to a native speaker and you try to imitate them immediately.
Oh, wait, let me explain that word for our listeners. Imitate means to copy exactly the way someone speaks or behaves. For example, the smart bird can imitate human voices.
Perfect explanation, Sophia. So for this exercise, you choose a short audio or video, maybe a podcast like ours or a scene from a movie. You listen to one sentence, you pause the video, and you say it exactly like the speaker.
Ah, I see. So I don't just read the words, I try to copy the emotion, the speed, and the melody of their voice, like an actor.
Exactly. You are acting. This trains your mouth muscles to make English sounds naturally.
That sounds fun. But Bob, sometimes native speakers talk very fast. I usually turn on the subtitles when I watch movies to help me understand.
That is a great idea. Let me quickly explain that word. Subtitle means the words printed at the bottom of a movie or video screen that show what people are saying. For example, I watch English movies with English subtitles to practice reading.
Yes, subtitles are a lifesaver. So you look at the subtitle, you listen, you pause, and then you speak.
Right. Let's do a live test with our listeners right now.
Oh, a live test. Listeners, get ready. Put your phone down, sit up straight, and open your mouth.
I will say a short sentence. I want you to listen to my voice, my rhythm, and repeat after me. Ready? I am so excited to learn English today.
Did you do it? Great. Now try to copy my energy. Repeat after me. I can speak English confidently.
Excellent job. If you do this shadowing exercise for just 10 or 15 minutes a day, you will see a huge difference in your speaking.
Absolutely. Hey, listeners, who did you copy better, Bob's calm voice or my crazy energy? Tell us in the comments. Type Bob or Sophia. I want to win this.
Okay, Sophia, let's see who wins in the comments. But now we have one final speaking exercise for our listeners. This one is very powerful.
Ooh, the final secret. Tell us, Bob, what is it?
Use your smartphone, open the voice recorder app, and record yourself speaking English for just 1 minute.
Oh, record my voice. Oh, no, Bob. I hate listening to my own voice. It sounds so weird.
Everyone feels that way, Sophia, but it is the best way to find your mistakes. You speak for 1 minute about a simple topic. For example, what did I eat for breakfast?
Ah, I understand. So I listen to the audio later and I evaluate my English.
Yes. Let me explain that word. Evaluate means to judge how good or bad something is. For example, the teacher will evaluate the student's test. You listen to your recording and you evaluate your pronunciation and grammar.
That makes sense. You can hear if you speak too fast or if you say and too much. It is like having a personal English teacher in your pocket.
Exactly. Do this once a week. You will be amazed at your progress.
Okay, listeners, we gave you 3 amazing exercises today: thinking out loud, shadowing, and recording yourself. Now it is time for our quick vocabulary review.
Let's test your memory. Listeners, try to answer before Sophia does. Sophia, what does it mean to freeze?
It means to suddenly stop moving or speaking because you are scared, like when I forgot my Spanish at the coffee shop.
Correct. What about narrate?
To narrate means to tell a story or describe what you are doing right now.
Very good. And finally, imitate.
To imitate means to copy exactly how someone speaks or acts, like how I try to copy your calm voice, Bob.
You did a great job today, Sophia. And to our listeners, you did a wonderful job too.
Yes, you did. Now we have a final challenge for you. Which of these 3 exercises will you try today? Tell us in the comments. Type number 1, number 2, or number 3.
And please, if this video helped you, click the like button and subscribe to Sophia Class. It really helps us make more videos for you.
Practice every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep speaking. We will see you in the next episode, everyone. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.